Howdy crew, getting started on designs of the graphics for the truck. Let's get to it. As you all see on a lot of different construction trucks, independent companies that aren't part of big corporations, they will still have graphics on the truck that says the company's name, phone number, maybe a decal or trademark. So that is something that I will be wanting for the welding rig. Just the design and layout, I'm not too sure. I have been in contact with someone that does those graphics that, I don't know what you want to call it, a truck wrap. It's not a full truck wrap. It's just where I want the design, the phone number, just different stuff for what can be done by the company, but obviously shortened where it's not just itsy bitsy letters all over the place. I don't know what you want to call it. It's where you just kind of a film that goes on there and it's heavy duty. And so whatever that is, I'm in contact with someone that's going to be working on that, going over general designs. I've not been set on a design that I like where everything's laid out and appealing to the eye. Things just, when I've been trying to lay it out, it don't look right now. So that's what I've been working on. I'll be continuing to work on that, and I'm going to see where it goes. I'm just not too sure which design looks right. I'm going to be moving things around, kind of copying and pasting, moving things on the image of the truck, what will look right. So I will keep y'all informed. I'm just not sure where it is in the design process. I think it's very close to the beginning. It's not even close to somewhat of a good idea of where things can be laid out. Things just don't look right with logo in one spot, phone number here, and it's just not looking right. But I will keep y'all posted and updated on to how that's going, because I think it's important to have the phone number and everything on there instead of just logo, because then someone may need you, but they're looking at the truck and they have no idea how to get in contact with you. They're looking at the name of the company. Obviously they can go look online, but if there's a phone number right there, they can either take a picture of it or just dial your number right there and there. So I do want to kind of put that out, that don't have just decals anywhere and everywhere. Have it to where it looks nice, it looks professional, and I'm trying to work on that, where things are structured properly. I'm just not quite sure where things are going to be going, what's going to be on the driver's side door, if there's going to be anything on the back door, if there's going to be on the tailgate. I do want something on the tailgate, probably phone number and website, as well as the logo, but if there's going to be anything else on the bed of the truck. So I'm just kind of debating where things are going to go, what will be there, what won't be there. So again, the very beginning of the process, and just trying to figure out where things are going to be laid out and what things will or will not be on there. So again, keep y'all posted. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next video.